mute la irukane theriyama a lot of you will be talking. Okay, so basically first let me tell you the basics of the Zoom. I will keep myself, Nandini, we will be doing this muting unmuting option. We'll keep everyone on mute. So when either myself, Nandini, or Soumya before will be on unmute anytime, we can talk whenever we want. Others, what we will do, you can send a message in chat. That's what you are going to do now. So first thing, what I'm going to check, how good you are comfortable in chatting. So if you are able to hear me, I want everyone to send a message, yes, in the chat box. Let's see if you know the chat box where it is. If you're in laptop, it will be in the right side. If you're on mobile, you need to tap in the middle. So can I see an S from Brinda, Samaira, Harini? You need to type yes in the chat box so that I know that, okay, yes, you have understood what I said. Not even a single person. Tanya, Samaira, mainly this session is for you. Yes, very good. Tanya has sent yes. And Samaira, Brinda, and Harini, you can also send your yes. Adu smiley on the very good. Magi, she has sent yes. Harini, you can also send. Harini on this side, free side angla. Soumya ma'am, நடுவுல நீங்க பேசலாம். You feel free to talk in between anywhere. நீங்க ஏதாவது உங்களுடைய விஷயங்கள் yes. Harini ஃப்ரீஸா இருக்காங்களா அங்க?
Harini,
அவங்களோட வீடியோ ஃப்ரீஸா நம்ம மாதிரி இருக்கு. நாளைக்கு எங்க இருப்பாங்க ஹரிணி? உங்க வீட்ல இருப்பாங்களா இல்ல அம்மா வீட்லயா?
நான் இன்னைக்கு
இங்க தான் டெக்ஸ்ட்லாம் நடக்குதுல்ல. ஓகே டன். Then fine. Basically அது நம்ம பாத்துக்கலாம். Okay, good. Almost a majority of you have sent yes. Now what I'm going to do, so today we'll hardly go for another 15-20 minutes just to check how you are able to operate these technical features, so that accordingly I will redesign my games. I already have a set of games, and tonight we will work based on what we discussed. Now first I want Harini to speak. Harini, what are your expectations for your birthday party? உனக்கு என்ன மாதிரி games வேணும்? We have fixed the team beauty and the beast. No.
Yes.
என்னவோ
Hello.
yes Harini.
அவ மொத்த பிளானையும் காலி பண்றான்.
No Zoom. She is saying no Zoom. இங்க காண போயிட்டாங்க ஹரிணி. Yes, tell me ஹரிணி, உனக்கு என்ன மாதிரி கேம்ஸ்? உன்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நாளைக்கு around 30-40 people are going to come and we are going to have a blast for 2 hours tomorrow 5 to 7. So என்ன மாதிரியான கேம்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு வேணும்? உட்கார்ந்தே விளையாடணுமா இல்ல you have to run and play or you want to dance? What is it you want? Play?
I don't want games.
Okay, so what do you want? Samaira, are you a singer? Samaira பாட்டு பாடுவாங்களா?
Zoom,
Okay.
but then on tab.
Okay.
தமிழ் எனக்கு லேப்டாப்
I won't open it on any laptop or phone.
Okay, you want to use
No
in
phone.
laptop? சொல்லுங்க சௌமியா மேம். நீங்க ஃப்ரீ ஆயிட்டீங்களா இப்போ? சௌமியா மேம், you can say எது சொல்ல வந்தீங்க? Okay, இப்போ நான் பேசுறது யாரு? Tanya, can you hear me? Now I'm going to give an option for everyone to unmute yourself. நீங்களே பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
I can hear you.
Okay, good. So எனக்கு சௌமியா மேம் உங்க சைடு கனெக்டிவிட்டி ப்ராப்ளம் நினைக்கிறேன். You are frozen. மகி, உனக்கு கிளியரா கேக்குதா நான் பேசுறது?
கேக்குது, எனக்கு நல்லா
கேக்குது. சூப்பர். ஓகே, நம்ம சைடு அப்ப கிளியரா இருக்கு. So Tanya side also clear now. Soumya ma'am side it's stuck. Okay, Samaira, I'm going to unmute you. Let's talk for a while. Let me understand what you want. Which school are you studying?
Even I'm in Mountain.
Yeah, Arini, I'll come back to you. Yeah. Arini, you said voice break ஆகுது. Okay, so I'll come back to you in a while, okay? நம்ம எல்லாரும் இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் சைடு வரும்போது வாய்ஸ் அதுக்குள்ள கிளியர் ஆயிடும். I mean your internet issue. Yes, Samaira, கொஞ்சம் சத்தமா பேசுறீங்களா? Which school are you studying? All right. So you know this character, Beast and the Beauty. You know this movie? Have you seen that movie, Beast and the Beauty?
Yes.
Okay. So who is your favorite character in that? Who or which? Belle. Okay. So you will talk only very small. You will not talk big. சத்தமா பேச மாட்டீங்களா? You will not speak louder. Okay, anyway, I'll come back to you again for the second round. Now, Brinda, I don't know if you're Brinda or you're Brinda ma'am's daughter. What's the name? I've unmuted you.
Hmm.
What's your name?
My name is Bhagyashree.
Bhagyashree. Okay, which class are you studying, Bhagyashree?
Fifth.
Fifth standard. Okay, fine. So you know this you know the characters in Beauty and the Beast.
Yes.
Okay, now what I'm going to show you a screen. You'll tell me that you know what are the characters in this screen. Can you tell 2 or 3 characters from this screen? Who is this? This Motawala uncle.
I don't know much of them, but I know some of them. That's all.
Okay, tell me the name. I'll show who is that, or you will help me find out who is that character. Tell me first one character name.
I know Belle,
Belle.
The
Okay,
Beast.
who is Belle here? Give me the
the girl
identification.
with the book.
The girl with this is Belle. Oh, she's the main character. Okay. Belle has a horse, right?
Yes, she has
Yes.
a horse.
Okay. We don't reveal anything about that horse. I have a question based on that horse. Okay. We got one character, Belle, and tell me one more character. With that, we'll get into a birthday party mood. I have my presentation. Any one more character?
When Belle enters the castle, when Belle's father enters the castle, there will be a tiny clock, a keyboard speaking, and a candle will be speaking. I saw Beauty and the Beast 45 times, maybe.
Oh, you have seen 45 times?
Yes.
Oh my God, more than how many times I saw Barsha movie. Okay, good. Now I have a good piece of information from Tanya. She has sent in message. She has sent, these are the village people. Okay, very good. That's good. Okay, now let me open my PPT. We are going to play games for 10 minutes. Okay, you are going to have some quick games, and I don't know how many games you'll be able to understand because it's going to be a test version for us today. Based on that, what are the games you like today, or what are the games you're able to understand? I will design the games for tomorrow. Now let me open my PPT. Now, if everyone is able to see, whoever is able to see the PPT, once I say, you can just send a message in chat, yes. If you are able to see this PPT, send a message, yes. Okay, Soumya ma'am says yes. Others, any one or two kids saying yes for the PPT? Very good. Okay, now what we are going to, are we ready to go for this birthday party games?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Now what happens from now onwards for the next, Nandini, you can mute everyone. Unmute pannidada. And Soumya ma'am unmute la vechuko. Now no one is going to give the answer over the voice. You are going to give the answer only in the text. Okay, from now onwards we are going to do that, including Harini. Harini, you are also in the game. So now myself will be talking. If needed, Nandini will talk in between, or Soumya ma'am. Okay, let's get into the. You are ready. Okay, everyone is ready. Now this is a simple calculation. I think it's a multiplication only. So I want someone to send me what should be these two numbers. If you multiply this number with the other number, you get answer 72. I don't know if you have multiplication or for your age this multiplications app. So let me test that first. What should be those two numbers? This into this, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Likewise, what are those two numbers? If you multiply, you get 72. You have to send it in chat. Either you have to say 6 and 7 or 10 and 8 likewise. So which means 6 and 7 means 6 7 so 43, right? Or 42. Soumya ma'am நீங்க கூட போடலாம். ஒரு you can wait for 10 seconds. If kids are not answering, you can send your answer. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சா போட்டுக்க மாட்டேனா 9 into 8. Okay, very good. All right. So first step you have got the answer. Now second, now I don't know Tanya to answer. Tanya, you can reserve the answer. Let me check how about other kids. Second row. This blue
எல்லாருக்கும் கொஞ்சம் ஹை லெவல் தான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
தானியாவை தவிர எல்லாருமே ஹை லெவல் தான். ஓகே,
தானியா 6th ல, பிருந்தா 5th.
ஓகே, மத்த எல்லாரும் கிட்ஸ். ஹரிணி என்ன கிளாஸ்?
3rd.
ஹரிணி 3rd. ஓ, 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இல்லையா?
இதுக்கு ஆனா இப்போ 36.
ஓகே, டன். ஃபைன். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் see ஹரிணி. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஹரிணி பத்தி தெரியல. இப்ப பாருங்க. ஹரிணி எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா you get 36 ஹரிணி? I don't know. Very good. பரவாயில்ல, உங்களுக்கு நிறைய தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு என்னோட அரிணியை பத்தி. ஓகே, நம்ம இதை ஸ்கிப் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா? எனிவே வில் ஹேவ் திஸ் ஃபார் நாளைக்கு. சௌமியா மேம் உங்களோட டீனேஜ் குரூப் கண்டிப்பா இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கான டெஸ்ட் தான் இது. நீங்க சின்ன பசங்களை எஸ்கேப் பண்ணி. ஓகே, நவ் இப்போ இட்ஸ் ஃபார் அன் அப்சர்வேஷன். இதை நான் ஜூம் பண்றேன். இதுல வந்து there is one picture odd man out. I want you to identify which picture. Now let me give you a clue. Wait. பார்க்கறதுக்கு எல்லாரும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருப்பாங்க. குயிக்கா நம்ம 20 seconds தான் டைம் கொடுக்க போறேன். What you will see, this is called as a column. See 1 2 3 4 5. These are called as column. These are called as a rows. So first row, second. For example, if you think this person is odd man out, you will say 1 2 3 fourth row. I mean fourth column. Third row, this person is odd man out. So I want you to find, there is one person who is odd man here. Let's see who is going to find out first. And they will also be rewarded by money set today. 20 seconds time, just a game for observation to bring your concentration skill concentration over here. Let's see which row or which column the person is, the odd man out. 3 6 9 10 3 6 8. You can't over. Okay, is there? Okay, let's see who is going to find. 10 more seconds time. Adults, you can also take part in this game, not a problem. Maggie, you can also take part. Last row, okay. I'm not sure if that is right. Anyway, let's check. 10th column, last row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is the column. And the last row, okay, this person, he looks like the other person, we know. See, 10th column is 1 to the over as a Tanya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10th column. So can you try again? You have almost identified to a certain level, but I think your column is wrong. I'll give you 5 more seconds time, then I'm going to reveal the answer. 5th column, 1, 2, 3, Yarod answer again, Tanya's answer, 3, 4, 5. And 5th column, this person, Avrumilla. And I'm going to show you the answer. 5th or 10th or we have someone named, who is that? Rohit Sharma or MS Dhoni. Who is this person? 9th row, 8th column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th row. That is the last row, 8th column. And who is this person? Can you identify? Let me zoom and show you. This person. Yeah, MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, or who is he? If any cricket fans here?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Oh God, good. So that's the right answer. So that's none other than Virat Kohli is the one. Okay, good. Now we'll move on to the next one. இப்போ உங்களோட டாபிக்ஸ் குள்ள போலாம். இது கிடையாது, சத்தியமா இது உங்களுக்கு கிடையாது. இப்போ now we are getting into your topic. Okay, now I want you to quickly type the answer. What is the name of Bill's horse? Now kids, you can take part. What's the name of Bill's horse? And kids உங்களுக்கு டைப் பண்ண, இப்ப சமீரா மாதிரி பர்சனுக்கு டைப் பண்ண முடியலனா parents you can help them. Bill கிட்ட ஹார்ஸ் இருக்கு, நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்டே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். So we have the 4 names here: Maximus, Philip, Fred or Achilles. How do you pronounce Achilles or Achilles? நீங்களே தான் சொல்ல போறீங்க, அதெல்லாம் இது எனக்கு டோட்டல் நியூ. Okay, Samira, I think her sister is going to help. Philip. Okay, let's see if any other answers are coming. Others also can also type. Even if someone has typed the answer, no problem. We want you to see. We want to see how many people are able to give the right answer. How many people are comfortable in typing. Brinda has sent Philip. Okay, Samira and Brinda, they have sent. Harini, do you know the answer for this? Harini, தெரியுமா இதோட ஆன்சர்? Harini freeze ஆயிட்டாங்க நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. Okay, so இது எனக்கு இதோட ஆன்சர் தெரியாது, இருந்தாலும் வில் பாஸ். ரெண்டு பேர் பிலிப் சொல்லிருக்கீங்க, அதனால வந்து அதுக்குள்ள பாருங்க. பிலிப் ஸ்பெல்லிங் வந்து ஒருத்தன் வந்து PHILIPPE, one more person PHIEPE. Good. Now let's get into the next one. What shot does the film open with? படம் பார்த்தவங்க சொல்லுங்க, எந்த ஷாட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சீன் what comes in the movie? The forest surrounding Beast Castle, or a red rose, or a storybook, or a stained glass window? And don't be happy, tomorrow we will not be using these questions. Nalik totally வேற questions இருக்கும். Today is just a trial round. தெரியுமா மூவியோட ஓப்பனிங் ஷாட் which place is with a storybook? Okay, now who is that? Samira. Now I'm going to unmute Samira. Nandini, you can unmute Samira, and Samira will explain the scene and the storybook scene. How does it open up in story? You can explain in Tamil, Hindi, or English, whatever the language you're comfortable. Even if you understand Japanese, you look like a Japanese girl only. Okay, Samira, your sister also, she can help you. You will tell us that scene. The storybook scene, what are the things you see in that?
My sister did.
The sister also doesn't know. Okay, you tell us what you understood with that scene. And the scene எங்களுக்கு explain பண்ணுங்க. சத்தமா பேசலாம். எஸ் சமீரா சொல்லுங்க. அந்த ஸ்டோரி புக் சீன் சொல்லுங்க. எப்படி நீங்க பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருந்தது? என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்க அதுல?
I saw people walking around.
ஓகே சமீரா வந்து நீங்க நல்லா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நாளைக்கு வில் பி ஸ்பீக்கிங் லவுடர். தட்ஸ் suggestion for our mom and sister also. Okay, now we'll go to one last question. Okay, இந்த கொஸ்டின் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. இப்போ குயிக்கா நம்ம ஒன்று பண்ண போறோம். உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் மேக்ஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு ட்ரையாங்கிள்லாம் இருக்கா? எல்லாருமே அன்மியூட் பண்ணி சொல்ல எல்லாருமே. யூ ஹேவ் தி ஆப்ஷன் டு அன்மியூட். ட்ரையாங்கிள்ஸ் இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? ஷேப்ஸ் தெரியுமா? ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கா? And you will be having circles. So now I'm going to show you a shape. Quickly I want you to type the answer. அதாவது அங்க வந்து sometimes you will have 4 shapes or 5 shapes also. You may have triangle, you may have square, you may have rectangle, you may have trapezoid or whatever the shapes. I don't want you to send a single message. I want you to type all the answers in a one single message. Okay, be ready. Let's see who is going to answer first. First person, fastest finger first. That's the round name of this round. And what you're going to do, you're going to type all the symbols. You should not miss the not a symbol, the shape. Be ready. Let's see who's going to type it first. Yes. So what all these shapes you're seeing in this, I want you to type as the answer.
Semicircle.
Don't say, type it. I want you to see the answer in typing. I want to type all the answers in a single row. Yes, Nandini has typed this. You shall type all the shapes here in the chat all at once. For example, if you say circle, now only circle. At least I could see some 8 different shapes. Let's see how many shapes kids are trying. Circle. Okay, I'm not going to read out the answer now until others give the answer. Let's see the answer from all the 4. Samira, Brinda ma'am's login. Harini, you can also message. Magi, nee kuda join pannala. Nee in the kids category da. Tanya, I want answer from all the 4. Tanya has already sent. Let's see from Samira, Harini. Samira semicircle and circle only she has seen. ஐயோ எவ்வளோ ஒரு முக்கியமான ஷேப்பை விட்டுட்டாங்க நிறைய பேர். Okay, and finally I want Nandini and Soumya ma'am, you can also send your answer. உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு தெரியுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். சௌமியா மேம் உங்களோட ஆன்சருக்காக வெயிட் பண்றோம். இதை டைப் பண்றாங்க. நேற்று உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிட்டு நான் என்ன தெரியல. இது நான் இவங்களுக்கு இல்லை, வேற யாருக்கும் சொன்னேன். செமி சர்க்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்கா இதுல? நான் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேனா? ஆர்க். Okay, who has given this triangle? Brinda's login. Okay, where is triangle? This one is triangle, no? I don't see a triangle here. Okay, semicircle, arc. இவ்வளவு தான் நீங்க பாக்குறீங்க. எவ்வளவு பெருசா இங்க ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு பர்பிள் கலர்ல. யாருமே அதை பார்க்கல. See, this is a square. ஸ்கொயருக்குள்ள தான் இதெல்லாம். தானியா தலையில வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு யோசிச்சம் போடலான்னு இந்த பையன் ஏதாவது கிண்டல் அடிப்பான நினைச்சு போடல அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, so we have a square here. So then we have a circle. Yes, we have a semicircle. And இதை வந்து லாஸ்ட் டைம் என்னை கண்டக்ட் பர்த்டே பார்ட்டி someone said pie அப்படின்னாங்க. சில பேர் பீஸான்னு சொன்னாங்க. And I thought that is an arc. அது ஆர்க் கூட கிடையாது. கோன் ஷேப்பா இல்லையா? கோன் ஆர் ஆர்க். So now quarter circle. Okay, that's what now we are going to see the eldest person in this group now. Soumya ma'am, நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணி நீங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ இது வந்து இந்த பை சொல்லலாமா இல்ல கோன் சொல்லலாமா, ஆர்க்கா இல்ல குவார்ட்டர் சர்க்கிளா? உங்களோட நாலேஜ் வைஸ் அது நான் வந்து இது வந்து கோன் ஷேப்னு ஞாபகம் வச்சிருந்தேன். யாரோ ஆர்க்குன்னு போட்டோன்னு எனக்கு நீங்க ஆர்க்குன்னு போட்டோன்னு எனக்கு லைட்டா ஆர்க்குனா வந்து இந்த 2 லைன் வரும் ஆர்க்கல. ஒன்லி இந்த சர்க்கிள் மட்டும் தான் வரும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, so but at least okay, நம்ம ஆர்க் லெவலுக்காவது வந்தோம். கிட்ஸ் வந்து இதெல்லாம் ட்ரையாங்கிள் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டாங்க. We don't have triangle here. Okay. Samira, can you ask your sister to talk? Unmute Samira. I want a sister. What class you are studying? What's your name? 10th. Okay, now you are good. You are the right person. I think there is a subject, a chapter called as mensuration, right? I have seen so many of these things in this mensuration chapter.
Yeah.
And but still you can say out of your knowledge, this is, what's the name of this shape? Arc or quarter circle or pie or cone?
It's a sector of a circle.
Sector. Oh my God, one more new word. Sector, right? Sector. Okay, finally we are finalizing with sector. with attention. Okay. So இத்தனை ஷேப்ஸ் இருக்கு, பட் ஸ்டில் இது தெரியலனா கூட பரவாயில்ல, பட் நமக்கு ஸ்கொயர் பெருசா இருந்தது, அது எல்லாமே மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். Good. Anyway, now let's get into one or two more things and then I will go for some performance. யாராவது பாடணும் அப்படின்னா you can be ready. Either Harini or Samira, Tanya. We will finish it with a song. Brinda நல்லா பாடுவேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
நல்லா பாடுவா.
Super. Okay, be prepared. Brinda, I'll give you some time, okay? 15 to 30 seconds time. You can be prepared.
சேனல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கா தெரியுமா?
Oh. Okay, now let's get into spell bee. Now I'm not going to show the answer. இப்போ once again, இதோட நம்ம வந்து will go to Brinda singing. This is the last game for today. I will say some words. You will type the correct spelling for that. Okay, so let's see who's going to type it faster. First one, be ready with your fingers on the keyboard. Okay, my first thing is quarter. We'll start with something we saw. Quarter. I want you to type the spelling quarter. Yaar first correct first type பண்ணனும், கரெக்ட்டாவும் type பண்ணனும்.
What is spelling?
Maybe if it is little tough for Samira in the meantime, her sister, you can take part in this activity.
Wait, what did you say?
Quarter. I cannot spell it. எல்லாருமே கரெக்ட்டா தான் கேட்டுங்க. Okay. Very good.
I know the spelling, but they can't type fast.
Okay. You can't type fast. At least type it slow, no problem. Okay, now I'm going to say a character, one very famous character.
My grandmother is here. My grandmother has gone to the restroom and my grandfather doesn't know English.
Okay, so no problem. Then Nandini, you can just observe what's happening. Nandini, matarthu mute pannila. Yaar sound iruko. I'll put Tanya on mute. Samir on mute. Okay. Now I'm going for one very famous character. Even I don't know the spelling. Cinderella. Let's see how many of you are able to type the word Cinderella. She's very happily she wants to type. Tappa dhaan type panna poranga nenikiren. Cinderella. நிறைய ஸ்பெல்லிங் வருமே. இது கரெக்டா டைப் பண்ணிட்டாங்களே. Cinderella. Okay. Very good. Super. Now, okay, one last thing. I don't know how many of you know this character. You may be knowing one of my favorite characters, Chota Bheem. If someone answers it right, we'll clap for you. இது வந்து இவங்களுக்கும் சௌமியா மேம் உங்களுக்கும் இது இருக்கு. Nandini and Mahi, you can also take part in this round. It is for adults also. Chota Bheem, very good. Tanya, good. Chota Bheem, Tanya's answer Chota Bheem. Chopra Bheem. Oh my God. Okay. Good. I'm getting a lot of new interesting names for Chota Bheem. Very good. Nandini on the daily தான் உட்கார்ந்து பார்க்கறேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. I think Nandini double H. Okay. Someone will be laughing at Nandini's spelling also. And what about Samira's sister? She has been typing. Soumya ma'am, Chotta. And I'm waiting. Oh, Samira's sister, she has sent Chota Bheem, Chotha. Okay, very good. And the final answer is what Nandini has typed is right. That's unusual spelling. Even I was wondering when I saw that first time. CHHO. Where is Nandini's answer? Okay, CHHOTABHEEM is the right answer. Maybe you can check it in Google after a while. Okay, now we'll get into one bonus round. Since you people are now good at typing, we'll go for one final bonus round for typing. Now, whatever these are the things. Okay, Chota Bheem spelling, you can see what I typed, and definitely I'm not going to ask you encyclopedia and all. And now what I'm going to do, this is what real actual fastest finger round. Now what you're going to, this is the last round. I will display something on the screen. I want you to type it as such. There will be some typo also. For example, Ariniyoda name வந்து நான் HARANI னு கூட நான் எழுதி இருப்பேன். That is my choice. But நான் அப்படி எழுதுனா same way you have to replicate it. You should not say that my typing is wrong, my English is wrong னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. I have scored around at least 70% in my English, so at least to a certain extent my English is good. அதனால my language தப்புன்னு நினைச்ச கூடாது நீங்க. I know that purposefully I have made some mistake. Now be ready everyone. We have around 9 login and the 7 participants here, excluding Nandini. All 6 you can take part now. Be ready with your fingers on the keyboard. Exactly enna spelling including the punctuation. If comma irundha you have to use the comma. If there is exclamation mark, you should use it. All the best. Here we go. Let's see who's going to type it first. Exactly with the correct spelling, whatever the mistakes I have made over there. Let's see who's going to do that first. Yaro faster type. Avasarapattu. Okay. சௌமியா மேம் ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொடுத்துட்டீங்க பர்த்டேக்கு அப்புறம். கரெக்டாக பண்ணுன்னு நினச்சி ஒரு சின்ன தப்பு பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, சமைரா I said punctuation is also very important. Okay, let me reveal what is the twist. Not twist, actually no twist. Very simple. HAPPIE. A lot of you would have, unfortunately, no one typed it as Y. And after birthday, no space. It's very closely. It's an exclamation mark. Okay, now we're ready. Last one. Now you have tuned. Now you know the exclamation mark also. Last one for you. After this, we are going for Brinda singing. Yes, the last one. Let's see the answers. எவ்வளவு நேரமா இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு ஈஸியான விஷயம் போட்டுக்கணும். ஓகே, வெல்கம் ஆல். Soumya ma'am, okay. Very good. Now we have tuned so much. Good. எல்லாருமே கரெக்டா பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்க. இப்போ let's wait for other answers also. Soumya ma'am and Samira sent. Tanya, we are waiting for your reply. Okay, very good. Super. Nalla tune ஆயிட்டீங்க. Good. So with that, I will close this PPT. Now, okay, quickly we will recap for 5 minutes. So this is how we are going to play tomorrow. Not only this, actually, this is one of the games, and we have few other games where I will ask you to. I'll ask you to bring papers. Okay, tomorrow when you come, you have to come with some papers. If you have papers, pen, and pencils, we'll do something with pen, paper, pencil also, and we'll be doing a lot of activities with our fingers also. I'll be teaching you some fun activities with your fingers, with our head, all those things. So we have different types of games. For 1 to 1.5 hours, we'll have games, and also you can also perform. Whoever wants to sing, if someone wants to dance, all those things are also allowed. And now, based on what we have done today, again, Soumya ma'am, naparma with a night and a call pesa. Maybe what are the things which you think higher level for the kids, will eliminate them and will bring in something easier one for them. However, like Samira's sister, Mari parents, Angulama, they can also take part. Yes, Arini. You want to say
I
something?
want movies.
You want movies? Huh? What sort of movies? Tamil movies or English? Marvels.
English.
English like
Definitely.
Avengers. Other Mari movies, huh? Oh.
Animated.
Animated movies, huh? சரி, okay. இன்னைக்கு உட்கார்ந்து நான் பார்க்க வேண்டியது தான் நான்.
I
Okay.
think Samira can guess what I want.
Yes, okay. Samira, can you
Not
tell?
animated, right? Not animated.
Yeah, tell me, Samira.
What?
Something?
Descendant. Samira can definitely guess. Yes.
Okay, Samira, can you guess? இப்போ மட்டும் Samira voice
Descendants
பாருங்க, சத்தமா வருது.
Descendant.
Yeah, tell me, Samira, what is it she wants? Animated. Mm-hmm.
Yes, I know that. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Samira, please take this inputs and அது என்னன்னு நீங்க அனுப்புங்க. We will definitely work on that.
Wants to watch movie.
பார்த்துருவோம். And okay, Harini, tell me, tomorrow who are all coming for your birthday? How many of your friends are coming? How many neighbors are coming?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I did not even want a Zoom party.
Yeah.
I did not even know that even Samira was coming.
Lot more surprises are there tomorrow. Don't worry. Everyone is going to enjoy the Zoom party. Okay. Don't worry. Just because it's Zoom.
Most of all,
Yeah. First of all.
most of all, I want my sister and her friends to join.
Okay. Where is your sister? She's in
She
abroad.
lives in Netherlands.
Netherlands. Definitely will invite her also. See,
She's in
Zoom party is not
Netherlands.
only for Perungudi
My
people. Okay.
cousin sister.
Okay.
My
Don't worry.
cousin sister.
Okay. Don't worry. Zoom party is not only for Perungudi people. Even it's for Netherlands people also. We will try to invite her also. Okay. Where
See,
anyways,
that's the advantage of having Zoom parties.
yes.
I don't know.
See, last time for home party, your sister didn't come, but this time for Zoom party, we'll invite her. And see, you don't know where Maggie, can you turn on your video? This person, she's my team member. She's the magician. She's from Dubai. Okay, she has come on live from Dubai. She's from Madurai, and she has gone to Dubai for her advanced level magic show. And tomorrow she'll be doing a magic show for you all. Magic பிடிக்குமா உங்களுக்கு?
கேக்குதா நான்
Magic பிடிக்குமா?
கேக்குதா? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Are you guys excited for tomorrow magic? Yes. Say yes.
Maggie, are you going to show some demo now?
Yeah, we will do something.
Okay, all right, kids, we'll have only one demo.
How
Okay,
many,
we
how
have.
many kids are unmute? Did you unmute?
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll keep Harini and Samira on unmute. Other
Okay.
separator, I'll unmute them. Okay. Now they both will interact with you.
Harini and
Samira.
Samira. Okay. So we will do some magic game. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes, excited? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, super. So,
I know some magic, but I don't have the things.
Don't worry,
this
don't
is
worry.
quite different. This is going to be different than what you know.
I'll keep doing rubber band magic. If I have any free time, I'll take a magic. I'll take a plastic rubber band and I'll be playing with it.
Oh,
Nice.
super.
But
Okay, we'll give
we don't
time for
have
Harini's
time.
magic also tomorrow.
Okay, we will see the magic now.
Yes.
Okay. So I want one volunteer to participate in it. So Harini is there? Badre girl is there?
Yes, no, but since Harini is magician, I don't want Harini to take part in first activity. First, we'll go for
Okay.
Samira. Okay, Samira, you are going to be the.
Samira, I want you to play this game with me. Can you see these cards over here?
Call your sister also, Samira. Ask her also to be with you. She will help you.
Samira, can you see these cards? Yes.
yes.
So here we have two black cards and one red card in the middle. Can you see? Yes. Okay, I want you to keep your eye on the ace of heart, which is red card. Can you do that?
Just look at it. Just look
I
at
want you to keep your eye on the red card. Follow the red card. Okay. Now we are going to start the game. When I'm going to do that, you just follow the red card. Forget about the black cards. Okay. Are you sure? Okay. Let us start the game. So now I show you very clearly. Here we have one black and one red and one black. I give it a mix like this.
No.
I give it a mix. And here you see, where is the red card?
In the last.
In the
Last. In the last. First.
right. So now I want you to say go. We will start the game. I'm going to deal these cards on the table. So to start doing that, I want you to say or yell go. Go. So let us start the game. So here you see red card is here. I'm going to keep that on the table. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. So here we have two black color cards. So black goes in the middle and one more black goes. So right side. So where is the red color card now? Where did you see red color card? Here?
Yeah.
Yes? Correct?
Yes.
Everyone choose that one. Actually, that is black color. That is not the red one. That means you are not watching very carefully. So where did
Even
that,
I was also watching. Now, correct.
where did that red color card go? What do you think? See, here you see this is also black.
So it's in middle.
In the middle.
Color card is in the middle. Can you see? Yes. So do you want to play this one more time?
Yes,
I want you to follow this very carefully.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I mix this again, and you see, I mix these things, and now you see, red color card is in the first place, right?
Yes.
So I place this in the middle. So here we have two black color cards, okay, that goes on both sides. So now you tell me where is the red color card?
In the middle.
In the middle. You are watching very carefully. I can see that. So bad. You see, this is the black color card. That's magic. So you see here, this is also black. So where did that red color card go?
That's it. Here.
This side. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing, right? One more time. Do you want to play this one more time? Last time.
Actually, you just showed that red card and kept the black card.
But you saw that, right? I kept the red card in the middle. Okay, I'll do that again because you
Last
guys
time,
want to see it. So all I have to do just mix like this. If I mix that, and you see, now where is the yes? Yes is in the middle.
In the middle.
Right? So to make it easier for you, I'm going to remove one card on the table, which is black. So here we have one red and one black in my hand. So now it is very easy for you to follow, right? So I'm going to mix these things like this. If I do that, you tell me now where is the red color card? Right hand or the left hand? 50-50 chance. It could
Okay,
be right.
Arini also
No,
wants
no
to say
problem.
something. Yes,
I
Arini, you
don't
can also.
know which one is right and left in your hand, but then I know which is right and left in my hand. I can't see that.
Okay. Okay. But whether it is right or left, but actually we have only the black color cards with us. There's no red color card. Got me eliminated. See? Red color card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like these kind of things you're going to experience tomorrow. I am having 30 minutes full magical act tomorrow. So I want you to guys wait for that. I hope
Thank
you guys
you.
enjoyed this trick. Did you guys enjoy?
Yes.
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 Okay. Great.
Sure.
I think you just slid it like this and put it on the table.
Okay, thank you so much, Maggie. Thanks for to have come on online at this time. Yes, Nandini, you want to share something?
Yes, that's really nice. And actually, even we were like, stunned and dumbstruck with the magic. Thank you very much, Mahi.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
So tomorrow you're going to experience a lot of things like this. So this is
Definitely,
just a-
definitely. We are awaiting. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, Soumya ma'am, what I will do, maybe in another 2 minutes we can close the call. We are also rushing for the next presentation.
Okay.
So you can, if you want to say something to the kids, you can say, and then finally, a quick kids sort of feedback. I'll close the call.
You girls enjoy this all the MC games and all?
Yes.
Harini, you still don't want the Zoom party?
No, she only
at
Netherlands sister is coming. She's ready to come for Zoom, right?
Yeah, I think
7
they are.
o'clock in the night. 7 o'clock in the night, and it will be 7 o'clock in right here, and then it should be sometime when my sister will be available.
No, Arini, my
Usually
question
I
is, if your sister is joining, you're okay for the Zoom party? If sister is joining, you're okay for Zoom party? Super. We'll call your sister, okay? Don't worry.
Sherry.
We'll call her.
Okay.
Usually I talk to her at 7 o'clock and she's available.
Mm-hmm.
இல்ல பாப்பா அம்மா invite அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். Okay.
Okay. Okay, now quickly we'll take feedback from all the kids. First, yes, Brinda login. You can share your feedback, how much you enjoyed today's demo session. You can say your name and you can say how much you enjoyed.
My name is
Yes.
Bhagyashree and I enjoyed it very much.
Very nice. Thank you. And okay, I'm going to unmute Samira. You can share your experience.
I'm hearing.
Where is she? Yes, you can speak. You can unmute yourself and speak.
To do it tomorrow.
Sorry, can you repeat?
It was fun and I want to do it tomorrow.
Oh, you want to do it tomorrow also? Yes, tomorrow is the main day. Today, just a sample of that. Okay, it's a teaser.
She says it was fun and she wants it tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
That is
Tomorrow.
very sweet. Okay, darling.
Thank you so much, Samira. And yes, Nandini, next நீங்க யாரை கேட்கணும் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க, you can ask.
Okay, who we have?
Yep, Tanya. Thank next.
Tanya, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, Tanya. Okay, let me unmute you. Oh, you're already unmuted.
Yes, I wanted. Yes, Tanya.
It was nice. I liked it very much, and I want to see it tomorrow also.
Oh, really? Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So there will be a lot of things tomorrow. All right. So let's do that and let's have a lot of fun and blast the party, the virtual party. All right.
All right. Yes, Arina.
I want it to be in the night so that my sister can also join.
No, even whatever the time, we'll see. We will fix it based on your sister time. Okay, if she's coming on 5 o'clock at 5 o'clock, that's good. If not, we will change the timing accordingly. Okay, I'll talk to mom. Don't worry, your sister will be there for your party. Okay, we'll make sure that she joins your party. And thank you so much, all the kids. That's so kind of you to have come on this live to help us make it more understanding. So that now I understood what you want. So we'll be working on that again tonight. And definitely tomorrow from 5 to 7. Arini, don't worry, 5 o'clock we'll make sure sister joins. 5 to 7 we'll have the party for the kids. 7 o'clock we'll have the cake cutting, and then probably after that we'll have some more games for the adults also. Okay, so keep yourself prepared from morning. Whatever you want to do, and after 4 o'clock dress up yourself nice, because we'll be doing the video coverage. We'll be recording the full session, so நீங்க அதுக்கேத்தமா நல்லா dress பண்ணிட்டு வரலாம் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வேணுமோ. And you can keep your background neat. You can be very casual, but make sure that when it comes on video, it looks good. உங்களோட அம்மா அப்பா வரணும்னா they can also take part in the yes.
And tell my mother to be careful with this recording too, because last time she lost my origami recording.
Don't worry, don't. This time we'll do. See, multiple recordings are going on. Another laptop is in front of me. Your recording is going. We have like Big Boss. We have so many cameras covering this. Don't worry, we'll cover it and give it to you. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Nandini, you can just give the final note and we'll close the call. And rest we'll discuss in WhatsApp.
All right, super. Thank you very much, kids. It was lovely having you all here, and the demo session was absolutely fine. And we had it. We also came to know that we all are comfortable with the virtual party. So thank you very much for doing that, and thank you for your time and patience. Okay, so see you tomorrow. So let's all get dressed up and come tomorrow. All right. So Harini, stay tuned, and your sister is gonna surely come, and we're gonna blast the party. All right. Thank you.